The best yoga poses for beginners. When you first start to get active, it's important to take precautions so that you don't hurt yourself. It's important to know the best yoga poses for beginners to ease yourself into yoga. Sometimes, we may think that going to a fitness class is only for young, thin, flexible people. However, in the case of yoga classes, it's an excellent exercise for anyone. It doesn't matter how old you are, your physical condition or how much you weigh. Since this 1,000-year-old practice brings so many benefits, it's important to know how to get the most out of it from day one. This way, your process will be so more enjoyable. Yoga poses for beginners. Start with the basics. When arriving at your first class, you might feel a little clumsy or nervous. To prevent this, just remember that you won't be amazing day one, and that everything happens step by step. However, also be prepared to celebrate little victories. If you want to practice at home before going to your class, we can propose a few yoga exercises for beginners that will help you be better informed. 1. Mountain pose, or Tadasana. This is an excellent yoga pose to enter the world of yoga with. Put your feet and legs together and slightly separate your heels. Press together the palms of your hands and lift them to chest height, keeping your back and head as straight as possible. Relax your shoulders and slowly lift your arms together above your head while inhaling deeply. You can close your eyes to concentrate, if you'd like. If you need a deeper stretch, lift your heels off of the floor and balance yourself on the tips of your toes. 2. Warrior pose, or Virabhadrasana. This pose helps to discover your central balance while stretching from your neck to your pelvis. Stand up and bring your right leg in front of you, slowly bending your knee. Keep your left leg as straight as possible. Place your hands on your hips, balancing them on your waist. Lift your arms at the same time until they are above your head. Slowly tilt your head back. Hold this position for 30 seconds. 3. Tree pose, or Vrksana. Begin this pose the same as mountain pose, with feet and legs together and the palms of your hands at chest height. Relax your shoulder and focus your eyes on one particular spot. It could be a painting, a mark on the wall, an object, etc. Shift all of your weight to your right leg and slowly lift your left leg off of the floor. The idea is that you can rest the sole of your left foot on the inside of your right thigh. When you're first beginning, it might be hard for you to keep your balance, but never lose sight of your fixed spot you're looking at. Hold for 30 seconds and then switch legs. 4. Cat pose, or Marjaryasana. This basic yoga pose allows you to relax your neck and back while also gaining flexibility in your spine. This four-legged position starts with your palms, your knees and your insteps on the floor or mat. Tilt your head back and arch your back at the same time. After a few seconds, do the inverse movement, tilt your head down and round your spine toward the ceiling. Repeat this slowly, at least 10 times. Five. Triangle pose, or Trikonasana. While standing, spread your legs a little wider than your shoulders. Your feet should be facing forward and parallel to each other. Shift your weight to your right leg and lift your left arm as straight as possible up to the sky. With your right hand on your knee, lean your torso toward that side. When you're balanced, turn your head so that you're looking at your left hand in the air. Hold this pose for a few seconds. Then, slowly release to your initial position and do the same thing on the other side. Yeah.